Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new canvas. Sign in and tap Create or open a saved file. Choose the model and a canvas ratio like 16, 9 or 1 so composition matches your goal. Then enter a concise prompt describing subject, mood, and lighting. Use negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements. Once done, set seed or leave random for variation and pick guidance strength. These control fidelity. Make sure to save a copy before major edits so you can revert. Now refine by adjusting core parameters. Increase guidance scale for adherence to prompt or lower it for creativity, and set sampling steps for detail versus speed. Add weight modifiers and style tags like photorealism or watercolor to steer aesthetics. If available, upload a reference image and set it as image prompt. This anchors composition and color. Preview multiple iterations, compare outputs, and lock a promising variation, so you can remix only selected attributes. Finish by exporting. Pick resolution and file format, use upscaling for larger prints, and download a high-quality PNG when possible. If you plan edits, keep the original project to tweak later. When artifacts or odd anatomy show up, rerun with clearer prompts, reduce guidance slightly, or increase steps. Adding constraints like hands visible fixes common issues. Finally, compare exports on different displays to confirm color and detail, and adjust color profile if needed before publishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.